Here's a multi-port USB charger. It's very unique, fully functional, so it works. It's corded, so it plugs in for power. It's got a hidden camera that shoots right out the front, so if it was on a desk or a table. It's got a 32 gigabyte SD card built in, so you can get about 50 hours of recording, but you can set up on motion and you can get several weeks of recording. Basically, this is one of those cameras that you can just set it up and forget it. Once powered on, the rest of the setup is on your phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Next, you'll show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to SpyCentre.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.